Hey everybody, it's the Ginger Optimist, and I have my friend Leah back with me today. Hi Leah.
Hey everybody.
Leah was with me on my video that has been very popular on how to make easy chili in the Instant Pot. I'll put a little link up above so you can check that out, and if you haven't already seen it, you're gonna wanna watch it. Well, today we are going to make Zoodleicious chicken soup. Oh, it's gonna be so yummy. So come on, let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is turn the Instant Pot on manual, and we are gonna take that up to 10 minutes. Then I'm going to pour in 64 ounces of organic chicken broth. Okay, so we've got our chicken broth in. Now we're gonna add in our seasonings. Rosemary.
I love rosemary.
Okay, so we're gonna put in a teaspoon of rosemary, 1 bay leaf, a teaspoon of dried basil, a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar with mother, and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Whoops. All right, we're gonna give that a stir. Now I'm gonna add 3 diced up chicken breasts. These are organic chicken breasts. So we're gonna put those in. Mix that up a little bit. And now we're gonna add our vegetables. Okay, so we've got the carrots, jalapenos, and 1 red onion and celery. It's all chopped up. I will leave the recipe down below where it says show more. You can read the recipe there. So let's get this in there. I found this recipe on Pinterest, and I actually took a couple different recipes and took ideas from them to come up with kind of my own recipe. So very similar to a couple of different ones on Pinterest, but I always like to tweak them and make them my own. All right, so we're gonna put the lid on and let it come to pressure and cook for 10 minutes, then do a quick release. Then we will add the zoodles. Here we go. Okay, we've got the lid on. You wanna make sure that your valve is turned to seal, and let that pressure begin. And we'll come back and add the zoodles and give it a taste and see how it is. Are you looking forward to lunch, Leah?
I am. All those spices smell so good.
Okay, great. Okay, so now we are going to taste this soup and give it a review. You ready?
All right, yes. It smells so good. This is so good. I love it.
I really do like it, but let me give it a review. I think when I make it next time, I'm going to salt and pepper the chicken breast, and I think I'm gonna have 2 jalapeno peppers in it instead of 1. And I'm trying to think. It kind of reminds me of like an egg drop soup without the egg, except for, you know, it's got more stuff in it. I think if someone's feeling sick, this would be an amazing soup. You know, if they've got the flu or something. And it's a lighter meal. It's not like a heavy, thick soup, but it is pretty good. So I would recommend giving it a try. What do you think?
I agree.
All right, well, thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist, and I would love to know if you make this soup, and I'd like to know what you're making in your Instant Pot. Please leave me comments down below. And where it says show more, if you will click on that, not only will I have the recipe, but I will also have where you can find an Instant Pot. Well, thanks again for watching. God bless. Bye.